Damn. If I go half, you go half?
Yeah.
Here you go, bro.
Appreciate y'all boys.
All of it missing.
It's either everybody eats or nobody eats, nothing in between.
Can I get a sweet spicy bacon burger, please?
Can you add a patty melt to that, please?
Dude, what you want?
I'm broke. I can't get nothing.
Okay, well, we not broke, so you're getting something. What you want?
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Fool, everybody eats. If we eating, that means you eating too.
You're not eating, that means you're not eating.
But since we eating, that means you eating too. So what you want, bro?
Can I get a sweet spicy bacon burger also?
Add some fries to it. Don't be shy. Yeah, let it drink to it. I know you thirsty.
Can I get a small fry and a small lemonade with that?
Make it a large fry and a large lemonade. Why you being so goddamn modest? So know we get money. Put that shit. Large fry and a large lemonade, please.
Hey, we finna go to the club. You wanna go?
I got the money to get in.
Before I didn't ask if you had money to get in the club, I asked if you wanted to go to the club. I got the money. Don't worry about the money. I don't think you need to worry about what you finna wear, because this shit you got on right now ain't gonna cut it. Well, go change, man.
All right.
And let me know if you need some clothes. Yeah, he gonna